All right, good morning. Hey guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram. My partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer: we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that: we're not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right. So if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, or if you're basically looking for a signal group, you're in the wrong place. Straight up, okay? We just use technical analysis. We're Forex traders and we trade these markets live, and we basically just give you guys the same trades that we take, okay? That being said, any risk that you take upon yourself. We're not financial advisors, so please make sure you guys are using the right risk management, because risk management is everything in these markets. And don't be risking more than 1 or 2% per trade, okay? It's up to you how much you want to risk, because that's your decision completely, but our recommendation, all of us here at Forex, our recommendation to you, because we aggressively scalp these markets, would to be to just use a percent, no more. Okay. And now that all of that is out of the way, let me quickly get into the chat. What's up, you guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? London was a lovely, lovely session. Cash nailed it. As always, I made my 0.5% on London today as well. I'm going to be trading with feelers. I have no reason to be trading with anything bigger than that today. That's the thing. That's the way it should be. All right. If you guys make your money on one session, you just sort of, want to chill out. Okay. You want to learn rather than actually try and be greedy and make more. Okay. Is this my first stream of the week? It is, right? Yeah. Okay. Feels like I haven't spoken to you guys or been live in a while. Um, okay. Watch for that, alright? So, NASDAQ is making a little bit of an impulse. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I, in all honesty, like the dirty a little better. But you all know it, okay? These markets, they can do as they like. But look at that. NASDAQ's giving us a nice little impulse on, a nice little impulse from our sell structure now. Okay. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? Anyone getting in on those feelers? I also have gold charted for you guys. Buys up there, sells down here. Okay. We're a little ways away from gold right now, which is why I'm not exactly looking at it. But let's watch. Let's watch. Okay. I like that. I love that. Let's see if they want to break. Okay, I'm getting in with a little feeler, you guys. I'm just gonna test out a small little feeler. Just a feeler, okay? Okay, I'm in with a feeler for the sells, if anyone was wondering. But yeah, where's my stop loss gonna be for this? My stop loss is gonna be at the highs, all right, at the supply there. I know that there are sellers that are gonna be sitting there, so I want to make sure that if we want to go bullish, I'm going to make sure we break past the sellers and make them buyers. Okay, so I'm going to have my stop loss here or slightly above here. If this has to go against me, the whole zone's a 25 pip zone. My entry point was somewhere in this region, which is not too much. It's just about a 15 pip zone. So if it goes against me, it is what it is. I'll be down by $15. Okay. Anyone in? Watch that. All right. Expect a little bit of a retest. They could still do a little bit of a retest. Okay, guess that was the retest. Alright, who's in on Nasdaq, you guys? Who's in on Nasdaq? Look at that. Nasdaq's pushing. Like I said, expect a retest and a rejection from this zone. Is no one in on any trades today? I understand it's a Monday, but it seems like people are either Tuesday. My bad. I understand it's a Tuesday. It's a good time to be trading. Okay, midweek is always good, but you guys are either sleepy or he'll just don't know what he'll need to do. No trades for now. Good. Yeah, me neither. I'm just in, like I said, a little bit of sell feeler. $1 a pip, nothing too much. And just gonna test it out. I like these cells coming in over here. I like the structure break. I like that. It's looking good. Okay. Look at this. Even if you would have gotten in using the entry exit, you should be up by about 4 or 5 pips now. Change your stop loss to break even. Okay, we've got 9 more minutes to market open. You don't want to be caught in a reversal. Keep your stop loss at break even and at least bank this move because it looks like they want to fill down to the early support. Okay, structure on gold. Yeah, conservative on gold. I haven't put on anything too crazy, but one-on-ones. What are we seeing on gold? Quickly, you guys. What are we currently seeing on gold? Come on, I'm watching the chat. I'm sure there are more than 2 of my one-on-ones from the close to 60 people that are on the session. I'd appreciate you guys. Listen, it's not my loss, okay? If you guys don't want to sort of hop in and test out the things that we've been learning on the one-on-ones, that's on y'all. It doesn't make a difference to us, okay? I can do this stuff in my sleep. I'm doing it for y'all, okay? Distribution, double bottom. Oh wow, okay, you guys are being really freaking lazy today. I'm seeing currently, yeah, potential double bottom. And technically the 3 people that answered were all right because we could be going to make a double bottom like that, but we're also in distribution right now because we're building into a little bit of a pennant. Alright, so if that's our pennant, that's our zone of distribution, break of structure, break of structure. You guys don't deserve an explanation more than that. And yeah, if y'all don't want it, I'm not an idiot. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and give it to y'all for free. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? Okay, baby, you in on Nasdaq? Okay. Okay. If gold starts to respect this demand zone, you guys, then y'all could look to potentially buy the market there. Okay. But again, that's for the more experienced traders, and I don't think we have the experienced traders on here today. So yeah, we'll wait for price to do its thing. Okay, look at Nasdaq. They're pushing. We hit TP on Nasdaq. We hit TP on Nasdaq. Feeler for Nas? It's too late for a feeler for Nasdaq, buddy. Your feeler should have been on this candle. You guys know the entry-exit strategy, right? All of you guys are from the one-on-one, so you'd be looking for something like that, and price already did that. Okay? If you're getting in on a feeler now, consider the possibility of a bounce back. Just saying. Jaspreet, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Let's see. If we break this region, we can go back down, no problem. But as you all can see, we very cleanly hit TP on Nasty. I'm still just in on a little feeler. You guys know the position that I'm in. Just watching. I am new. I don't know supply and demand zone. That's a pretty big topic, buddy. All right, that's something we cover on the one-on-ones. But just to give you a simple, brief explanation, a zone of supply is where we have sellers and their orders sitting in these markets. As you can see, price pushed up here, and then the sellers and their orders got activated and they pushed back down. So supply is the sellers. Demand is the buyers, right? These markets are a constant battle between the buyers and sellers, or between supply and demand. And at sometimes there's more demand than supply, and other times there's more supply than demand, right? So we need to be able to identify the zones from where these orders get triggered. And like I said, where the sellers are, that's supply. Where the buyers are, that's demand. So this was demand till we were here. And now that we're below this, we've successfully, well, we haven't tested it to be supply as yet, but we can expect this to be supply, and we've built our new demand down here because they potentially will push the markets back up, which means the buyers or the demand will start to get activated from here. Any possible trade now? Yeah, man, we're just waiting. There's market open in the next 2 minutes, and we usually don't get in pre-market open. We're gonna wait. And they could be making a little bit of a double bottom here now, okay? I still like the sells though. I'm not gonna lie, straight up. I still like the sells, but if this wants to happen, the buyers, y'all know where to step in, okay? Y'all could possibly test out 34 100, so have that as a TP in case it wants to start buying above this region, okay? Y'all need to realize that's about a 14 15 pip move, and that's it, okay? What are we gonna do with the buys? We're gonna keep the buys right here for Nasdaq. Okay. And if they continue to break down, next stop right there. Okay, RSI is nice. RSI is nice on the dirty as well. Pretty bearish. Gold looks like it hasn't moved. Seems pretty bullish on gold though. Okay, higher time frame on the dirty is making a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. We either could get rejected from there, or we could start a break even higher. Looking good, all right. Looking good on across the board right now. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna set up an order real quick for this, you guys. Give me a second. Not trading too big today. I'm gonna stick with smaller lots because, like I said, I've already made my money on this, you guys. I had a great London session with cash today. The ones that were on it, y'all know, y'all banked, and it was lovely. Bearish on dirty, based off a price action, yes, buddy. But if the markets wanna mess around, they're gonna do that. Okay. Cool. Market open in the next 20 seconds, guys. Please don't be stupid. All right. Make sure you guys are using the right risk management. Okay. Market open in 10 seconds. Let's have a good one, and let's come out on top, you guys. Let's do this. Okay. Market open in 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. I got stopped out. It is what it is. I got stopped out of my feeler, all right? And I still do have an order that's sitting in this region. In case it wants to come down, I'll get triggered. But right now, I'm in on 0 trades because I was in on one feeler, and I told you guys where my stop loss is going to be, so I basically just got stopped out of that, okay? Gold, starting to look good. Starting to look good. Let's look if you want to break that structure. Slow markets today. Slow markets. When am I gonna potentially consider this bullish move? If and only if we close in this box. If we don't close in this box, I'm not doing it. Straight up, okay? I'm not trading the impulses. I have no reason to trade the impulses. And I'm just gonna stick with my rules, okay? Alright, I just got in with another feeler, you guys. I got in with another feeler at the same level, this region. So I'm again in with two positions. Right? It's at about break even right now. Wow. Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq's freaking selling off. Who's in on Nasdaq? Who's in on Nasdaq? I guess Nasdaq was the move, huh? Oh, honestly, W's in the chat. How many of you guys caught Nasdaq? Alright, even if you waited for this rejection and the push to the downside, you're still looking at a 15 pip candle. Congratulations to the ones that have made your money. Okay, and I'm officially out of my trade again. I just took an L for $15 on for $8 on this, my bad. And I'm good. I'm good. I'm watching. Cash is banking hard. You know it, bro. You know it. She's sitting right near me right now. There's a reason I'm not taking trades, because she is. She's trading. I don't need to be doing it. All right, and this is what they do on Nasdaq. This is what they do on Nasdaq. Let's see if they want to close and get the move. If they do close down here, expect a retest of this early now resistance and a rejection to the downside. Maybe I can catch the retest if you guys are versatile enough, okay? Alright, so it doesn't seem like the sells want to kick in anytime soon. Manipulated market, I don't like it. I just don't feel comfortable buying a market that's already so overbought, okay? And if they want to push higher, they can push higher. I'm good. I'm not risking my lots in a market that doesn't make sense to me, okay? But pretty clean. Nice bullish flag, nice double bottom, and really solid move. But just not comfy doing that, man. Okay, you've got to respect your rules in this game, because your rules are what makes you money. All right, maybe gold is starting to gear up for the buys. That's if we don't freaking get rejected from that supply. We're getting a zone fill. Okay, if that happens, we could go zone to zone for about 35 pips. Okay, it's a good move. And remember, this is only the first like 3.5 minutes of the Wall Street Open, okay? So you guys don't need to be rushing in on anything. There are going to be days like this. You know, with the people on the one-on-ones, I always tell them, pick quality over quantity, right? It really doesn't matter if you don't get in on a trade on one day, right? In fact, a real professional trader will tell you that I don't get in on trades every single day. There are people on the group that have started doing that now, because you'll need to realize we need to build our eye to pick that perfect trade. And you can only pick the perfect trade whenever you actually analyze it the right way, right? So we're price action traders, man. And if this market's not selling, it's all good. I'm not going to chase this trade. I'm going to wait for the trade to come to me. That's what I'm going to do, okay? Whenever I break the rules, I get fucked. Well, that's the way it is, man. DXY dropping. Okay. Hopefully gold starts to push up. I like gold as well. It looks good to me. Alright, break of the 50, break of the supply. It looks good. It looks good for a nice 15, 20, 30 pip move. Okay. I'm in an $8 loss for the day, you guys. Right? Watch for those buys kicking in. Again, that's only an impulse. Let's see if they want to close. Again, y'all should know by now what we're looking for. Okay, we're looking for something like that. If it wants to happen. It's going well, Emily. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Okay. Let's see if they're going to hold at this supply, which is now turned into demand, okay? If they hold here, then yes, the buys are going to start to kick in. But if they don't hold over here and they push down, then the move that we're looking for is most likely going to start to come. I took a negative 106 trade on gold. Uh, Gold didn't give us anything as yet, though, Emily. The others still have. Oof, oof. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. I'm expecting a little bit of a bounce back from here as well, but man, I like that friggin' candle, okay? Y'all know what these big ass candles do to me. Um, and I like it. Let's see. Okay. Anyone in on the buys for Nasdaq now? Because our impulse is flying at this point. Karma, which is the best funding program I want to know. Well, there are quite a few out there. We don't have any sort of affiliates. We don't have anything of that sort. But we only tell you guys what we personally use, right? So Cash uses MFF, and in the past I've used FTM. Karma killed me. Cash and me are also laughing right now. But yeah. Okay, anyway, coming back to that in a second, look at that liquidity, okay? So the sales probably just don't want to kick in yet. And yeah, like I was saying, buddy, MFF is what we personally use. I've used FTMO in the past. And yeah. So I wouldn't say they're the best ones, but we just know they're not scams because we receive payouts from them. So, and a lot of people here receive payouts from them as well. Babe, can you give me a lighter? Okay. Anyone anyone in on the impulse for Nasdaq, the buys? Cash Kyle Cram liked it. Awesome. I want to use FTMO too. No, the spreads are not good. FTMO spreads are horrible, Emily. That's why I quit FTMO. I'm not sure if they changed it now or no. But we're scalpers. You know, we scalp these markets for what, 10, 20 pips. And if your spread is going to be like 12, 13 pips, it's really bad. It's really bad. Even the indices have bad spreads. I think one of them, either US 30 or DAX or something, someone was telling me it has like a 22 or a 25 pip spread. Beats the purpose, right? MFF spreads are good, right, Cash? Yeah. MFF spreads are good. Anywhere between 1 to 2 pips. Nothing more than that. MFF is the GOAT. I agree. I agree. Guys, who's freaking in on this impulse, man? I'm legit just I'm chilling. I'm in on 0 trades right now. I'm in on 0 trades. I'm just watching. Gold is starting to break our trend line. Let's see if they want to respect that trend line and start to push down, or if they're going to pick back up. If they start to pick back up from here, yep, we could start looking at something like this. Okay? For the ones that don't understand that, you can start looking at something like this. Okay? But for now, I'm going to keep it up at our break of structure. KSI, negative 70%. Congratulations, man. I don't even know what to say. Practice. I hope you don't mean you freaking risk 70% of your account, bro. It shouldn't be affecting you anyway, because it seems like Prime is doing pretty well. I'm sorry, that was so lame. But okay. Okay, boring markets, which means the cigarette is out. Nothing much going on in these markets right now, you guys. Oh, fuck me. Excuse my language. Look at that bloody rejection on Nasdaq. Gold. Okay. Nasdaq is just a roller coaster. It's not worth it right now, man. Screw that. See, this is where the entry exit strategy comes into the picture, though, right? Even though we found a break of structure zone, thanks to the Forex strategy, you would have only been in on a feeler, only a small position, right? Because y'all never got confirmation for the bigger position to kick in. So that's the way Cash and I have sort of designed it over the past 5 years. So it's just it's almost to mitigate the risks, and it's to lower the chances of getting caught in these sort of fake outs. Nasdaq chill. They're hitting the daily support, bro. That's what they're doing. They're coming down all the way here. Trust me. They're gonna hit daily support, and then they're gonna pick back up. At least that's what I feel is gonna happen. Okay, Nasdaq still pushing. Anyone in on Nasdaq? I hope you guys are not in on the buys, especially the ones that aren't aware of the entry exit strategy. But the sells are really freaking strong right now, man. I'm still waiting. Oof. Okay, they're not even respecting the daily support. I'm still waiting for US 30 to play out. Sorry, babe. Did it get rejected from the EMA? Okay. Good lord, man. Nasdaq's freaking in a mood today. The scream shit to me. I agree. But I like this, bro. Space. I'm sure you're gonna agree. But if this plays out, oh, juicy. I want distribution to successfully become. I want accumulation to successfully become distribution, and I'm gonna be looking for that because again, if we don't successfully convert this zone, this trap zone of accumulation to distribution, I'm not gonna be that confident on the sells. But if we start to pick up, and if the second candle goes and retests this supply, you guys, which was my feeler entry point, if you'll remember, if it goes back up here and retests this, and then starts to push down. Damn it, man. That's what I'm going to be freaking hammering the sells, okay? But not as yet. Patience is everything in any type of trading. It doesn't matter if you're doing Forex. It doesn't matter if you're doing crypto, stocks, scalping, day trading, whatever it is. Oh, fuck. Okay, I would have just gotten triggered in very casually. I wasn't expecting that. Let me see. All right, I'm triggered in, and I'm running for about 9 pips right now. 5 pips. Should I change it to break even? I'm thinking we still have a minute and 35 to go. Alright, 2 pips roundabout at break even right now. Negative 2, 3. And again, I'm in with a small position. I'm not in with a Lambo, just letting you guys know, right? I'm in with a small position because this is what I meant. This is the rejection that I was talking about, right? We need to test that out. Okay, so as of right now, I'm in with $5 a pip, and I'm going to set up another little order for maybe post-stream, where when we actually break this after successfully converting this accumulation into distribution, that's when I'll really get triggered in, okay? But so far, I'm running by about 3-4 pips on this move, 3-4-5 pips, okay? And it's $5, so y'all can do the math. Match maybe aiming for 15k? Yes, buddy. Absolutely. Psychological 15 is going to play a huge role, man. It's definitely going to play a role. Gold. Okay. Alright, so if gold starts to push down, it is what it is, man. They made a nice little bearish flag if it starts to push down, okay? But my recommendation to you guys would be wait for the next 10 seconds. Just don't be hammering it right now. We have the new 15-minute candle that's going to open up. Okay, I'm going to watch the indices. Please excuse me. Okay, come on. If we get rejected over here, I'm going to start selling this market. Gold's doing something, you guys. Sorry, I'm just monitoring this trade. Please watch gold for yourselves. Okay. We have the frickin' EMA sitting just slightly higher, which is why I'm thinking of waiting for just a little bit. There you go. I think we're at the EMA right now, as y'all can see. So this is the rejection that I'm looking for from this zone, okay? But I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. I just got in with another $5 position, you guys. So I'm currently in with $10 a pip at round about the same area, okay? Come on. If it breaks through that EMA, I am just taking an L, and it is what it is. Gold, it's not breaking down, you guys. Chill. Okay, if we happen to break this, guys, that's it. I'm out. I'm out, and I'm gonna be done trading for the day. All right, not every day is gonna be a good one. It is what it is. Damn it! I wish I could have caught that higher entry, but I'm already in. I have a feeling gold's gonna start picking up now. Yep. Right, we're still seeing the bearish rejection on the dirty. But again, till we don't happen to break down there, you guys, it could be hard. Okay, it seems like these markets are extremely choppy right now. They're just going back and forth. This is the definition of choppy, literally. But there are going to be days like this, and it's part of the game. And you'll have to go through the emotions. Okay, if someone's telling you that the emotions are not going to play a factor, block that person, get them out of your life, and tell them that you don't know what you're talking about. All right, because the psychological aspect is for real. All right, and the emotions can get the better of 99% of people that trade these markets, and that 99% of people are known as the retail traders. Okay. Alright, I'm closely monitoring this, you guys. If it goes against me, I'm closing out. It is what it is, man. Alright, if this goes against me, I will be down by about $200. Okay, so nothing too bad, but looks like they're doing what we thought it'll do. Okay? Price action, fam. Price action. Always trust in price action. Let's take a look at gold. Okay. Remember what I said, one-on-ones, y'all could buy into supply. I'm not going to leave that box down there for obvious reasons, but watch for it, okay? Guys, I'm going to set a physical stop loss because these markets, they don't seem like they want to give us much today, and I don't want to take more than $200 loss. Yes, it's nothing on... It's really nothing on our accounts, or even for the ones that are actually trading the 100Ks and all of that. $200 is a freaking feeler. It's all good, but again, I'd rather I get stopped out than put myself through the emotions for nothing. Okay, there you go. Gold. Impulse on gold. Impulse on gold. So if in the next 20 seconds the dirty closes above the 9, then we're pushing back up, okay? Just letting you guys know. So if it closes in this box in the next 15 seconds, you guys forget the buys. Forget the sells, my bad. At least for now. Nasty was the move. We should have been trading Nasty today. Seemed like it was the move. Oof, extremely chop. Extremely chop. Gold should be bullish. It should be bullish. This is what we spoke about, you guys. Alright, let's see if that happens. Okay. Who's in on gold right now? Who's in on gold? Okay. Christ, why is it so choppy? Come on, give me my freaking 10 pips and let's call it a session, okay? Give me my goddamn pips. 88, 92. My positions are at about break even right now. A little close to break even. Just about ranging between -2 and +2 pips. Guys, think about it. Me, myself, I'm in with $10 in these markets today. Nothing more than that. Right? You'll need to understand, you'll need to be able to recognize a bad day. Okay? A choppy day. Guys, I'm gonna have this candle high as my stop loss. Alright? And if I get stopped out, that's it. I'm done. Okay? 32 pips. It's gonna be $320 for me. Okay? About 300 bucks. Trust me when I say this, the sells are gonna come. Okay? But we just need some volume and some momentum for those sells to kick in. Okay? We could be getting that volume in the next 9 minutes. It's a possibility in the next 8 minutes. Come on, Daddy. Give it to us. Give it to us. Baha is in on gold. And Prince is in on gold. Just 2 people in on gold, okay? Come on, create a lower low. Let's do it, Dirty. Let's freaking do it. I'm running in a little bit of profit on that position now. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the Ali swap now, you guys. Literally, I'm not getting in on anything. We have about 2 minutes to go. This could still very well just go back up. Just letting you guys know. I have my stop loss over here. Alright, for these positions, and like I said, if this becomes a green candle, I would have lost $300, which would put me in a loss of $310 for the day, and I'm okay with that. Okay, that's I'm not going to tell you the percentage it is off my account, but yeah, it's nothing. I hope you can get me back on the road, Cram, because nowadays when I'm taking trades on my demo, I don't even know why I take them. You haven't even started, Emily. Alright, ask the people over here. How many of you guys vouch for the fact? I don't know how many of my one-on-ones are here, to be fair. It seems like there are not too many of my one-on-ones on this stream right now. But how many of y'all think that we can get Emily back on track? You just need to get onto the session, Emily. I'm going to take care of everything, okay? Easy, for sure, 100%. Cram is the goat. I vouch for that. Cheers, you guys. You're too sweet. Don't worry about it, Emily. Don't worry about it, okay? We've got you covered. Hop on to the session, okay? Serious Dan, I'm gonna, we still have you on the list, okay? Don't worry about it, buddy. I will hook you up soon. Yes. Okay, 50 seconds to go. I'm not gonna wait for too much longer, you guys. Y'all know the trades that I'm in. Y'all know where my stop losses are. Y'all know where my TPs are. I'm not gonna wait for longer than this, okay? I'm just gonna see how this new candle opens up in the next 6 minutes, and I'm gonna call it a session. Okay? 6 minutes. That's what I'm gonna that's for how much longer I'm gonna be on here. Gold analysis, please, bro. This is the analysis in front of you, Prince. If the candles go up there, it's a buy. If the candles go down here, it's a sell. We don't predict whether the market is going bullish or bearish, bro. We don't do that over here at Forex. We're scalpers, we're technical traders. So we are ready for price to either go bullish or bearish. And this is our bullish region, and that's our bearish region. So we don't have a magic ball, bro, in front of us where, you know, where we're going to sit here and tell you guys it's buying or selling. That's the point. We're not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical analysis to find our break of structure areas, and we wait. We wait a lot, but then because we're patient, we're able to be aggressive in these markets because we're that much more confident on any given setup. We don't rush into things. We don't chase these trades. We let these trades come to us. You react to the market as a trader. If you want to predict, then you lose overall. Absolutely, Emily. I would love for you to post that on either Success Stories or the general chat. Everyone should read this because this is the absolute truth. You should have a bias, right? Based off of the confluences that you find in these markets, you should have a bias. But you can never predict these markets. You'll need to realize that this is a very, very big game, you guys. It's a very big game, and it's a very large ocean, and we're really, really tiny fish in the sea. It's not in our control to predict these markets, but with experience, with determination and with practice. And of course, with building your eye to spot things in these markets, you'll successfully be able to trade them the way we make you guys. Okay, but don't chase um, trying to be a psychic in these markets, because anyone that's claiming to do that is full of shit. Excuse my language, but it is what it is. US 30 is going to break down, buddy, for sure. I have another order sitting and ready, a nice, pretty meaty position. I have that waiting to get triggered, okay? And still, it's not my regular Lambos, if that's what you guys are thinking. it's a tinier one. But yeah, you've got to pay yourself for the patience in these markets too, right? Listen, before you guys start to leave the stream and before I call it a session, I want y'all to go on and post up success stories, okay? We do this as a free service to you guys every single day. I hate saying this again and again. I feel like we've reached that point where it should just come naturally from you guys. It doesn't matter if you're making money. It doesn't matter if you're paper trading. It doesn't matter if you're making money in thousands or tens of thousands, okay? But just the fact that we're offering this to you guys for free, and just the fact that I'm sure you would have learned something from us today on this session, on London session, that's good enough of a reason for you guys to post a success story, okay? Trust me, even there are groups out there that charge people anywhere between $500 to $1,000 per month. Even they don't give you this sort of information and this sort of value. We just don't believe in keeping any sort of trade secrets, because this changed our life and we want it to change your lives as well. All right, so everything that we know, we pour our hearts out, even on the one-on-ones. We simplify everything, okay? Ask the people that are on the session here. I have literally had 13 and 14-year-olds join my one-on-ones, and believe it or not, they're successfully trading these markets. That's how much we simplify the whole Forex game for you guys, because we truly believe, excuse me, that there are tens of thousands of so-called gurus online, and all they're trying to do is they're trying to sell you a course that you can easily find on YouTube. But what we do on the one-on-ones, I'm telling you guys, you're not going to find that stuff on YouTube. All right? Because on YouTube, they'll tell you what a double bottom is. They'll tell you what a double top is. But no one's going to tell you how to trade that stuff, man. And that's exactly what we break down. We break everything down to its basics, because that's our style of trading. We don't complicate anything. We simplify it as much as we possibly can, that even any person that hasn't been exposed to these markets, or it's their first time ever, any person will successfully be able to understand what we're doing, okay? So even the information that we give you guys, it's the information that we need. You know what I'm saying? I don't bombard you guys with information. Yes, I make sure the fundamentals are all in place, but I give you the information that we personally use in our trading, day-to-day trading life, and we just stick with the basics, because the basics are everything in these markets. I have my first session on 15th. Awesome, buddy. Looking forward to it. Posting success stories as you wanted. Thank you so much, Emily. Thank you. Okay. Ali Momentum. I'm staying on for the next 2 minutes, and I'm gonna head out, okay, you guys? But as of right now, it's looking good. Why is it looking good? Because accumulation turns into distribution. Okay, this is what I said I was anticipating these markets to do. And let's see. Now, if we have this break, it's going to be juicy. All right, it's going to be a nice juicy move, but we just need enough volume to actually make that break. All right. Okay, there you go. If you were in on gold for that, you should be nearing your TP. If you're not in on gold, the buys are going to kick in up above there. Come on, dirty sell-off. Sell off, dirty. Let's do it. Freaking shot this market. Is the Asian session? Well, it's too slow for me, Emily. I'm not gonna lie. It's too slow, but yes, you're right to say that that range is what builds up the final act of the day, which is this session, the Wall Street Open. But it's too slow for me. I find London slow. So the Asian. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Finally, Yalla Habibi Muhammad, it worked out, brother. Yalla Habibi, let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. All right, I got triggered into my position, you guys. I got triggered into my position. My trigger point was that wick. All right, I'm in, and I'm running by about 10 pips at this point. I'm in with $100. Okay, I'm in with $100, and I'm up by about $1,000 right now. Okay, I'm gonna change this to break even really quick because I don't want to risk nothing. 340.92. Okay, I'm in a break-even position. All right, now I don't need to be stressing. One of two things will happen. I'm either going to make about 3 grand on this, or I'm going to get stopped out with nothing. All right, I want to know how many of you guys are in on these sales with me. Yalla Habibi, let's do it. Habibi, Habibti, whatever you want to call it. Let's freaking do it. There you go. Come on. Sell off, dirty. Sell off, sell off, sell off. Push. Got this. Push. Okay. Come on. That's the first stop that we're going to go to, okay? And believe it or not, I'm going to be out anytime now. All right, I'm up by 3 grand. I've made my 10 pips, and I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I just pulled out 3,000 from the dirty. Okay, I'm gonna leave my $10 a pip, the move that I was on. I'm gonna leave that, and yes, Kyle, boom, we caught that beautiful move. I want to see W's in the chat. Patience pays off. All right, I didn't get in on the buys for the only reason that I knew that this had to play. You know, it's not. Don't get me wrong, guys. This market can start going bullish now too, but it's just that I had conviction for these sells based off of my analysis, which is why I was comfortable to get in on these sells. Now, the fact that we got in and we're out, let these markets go bullish. We don't give a shit, right? But this is what we do. This is the power of price action. How will you not be greedy in these markets? It's by actually just building your confluences and sticking with that. Now, it doesn't matter if this is an impulse. It doesn't matter if this is going to push all the way down here. But we've already made up hips, and we made it confidently. This is what I mean, all right? We don't chase trades. We let the trades come to us. Kram, what made you think it'll be bearish and not bullish? Everything. Everything. The divergence, the overbought on the higher time frame. We were testing out the overbought area, which in my head, I knew was going to act up as supply. All right, testing out the 50, broke past. We're coming into some supply over here. Cash was telling me Nasdaq on the higher time frame as well was selling off. Look at this. This is what I meant, right? So we're building into some supply over here. So yes, we could still push up, but I was expecting a retracement before the move up actually does happen. And that was aligning up all the way down to the 5 minutes in here, as you can see right here. Right, this was the region that we were looking to short. Beautiful. Is anyone still in on this guy? Anyone still in? I feel bad for the 15-20 people that left the stream thinking nothing was happening today. But the moves always play out, man. Even though Nasdaq should have been what we were trading today. But it's all good, okay? As long as we were able to pull this out with conviction and confidence, that's all that really matters. What can we expect now? Expect a retest maybe to somewhere there, or tops our supply zone, and then maybe another rejection, start to push. Okay, now, success stories better come in. Okay, success stories better come in. I gave you guys the move. I made my money as well. Up 3 grand for the day. 3 grand minus 200. I'm up 2,800 for the day, and I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, I've got no reason to complain. Are you in on anything? No, I'm not. Right, Cash isn't in on anything right now. What? I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you meant by that, Baha. Space, yep. We're testing that overall 15K zone. Beautiful moves though, guys. Okay. Patience. Break of structure, retest, rejection. Absolutely, buddy. Absolutely. There's two. Alright. Nice impulsive candle. Retest, push, push, push. The second we broke those lows, boom, we fell. I love it. I love it. It's this that wakes me up every morning, you guys. The fact that I can come here and do this for you guys. It just it makes me happy. It makes us happy. And patience, this game shouldn't be called trading. Literally. It should be called patience. Me and Cash joke about this all the time. But literally, trading should be called patience. Because that's the only thing that you need to make money in these markets. It's patience. Pick your trades. Quality over quantity, you guys. It always has to be that way. Dirty does not look good for a Lambo right now, Cram. Nobody. No, you missed it. This region or this region would have been a good Lambo entry for you. But if we get a solid rejection now, I still do believe that we're going to come down till here. But if you've missed it, I would recommend you to not FOMO into the trade. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, technically, this is still a retest. Okay, beautifully went and hit TP. Watch out for gold, alright? Expect gold to come back down here. Pick up some buyers from here. And then push up. Like that. Gold is sleeping. Yeah. Look at Nasty, man. Nasty was the freaking move today, guys. Nasdaq gave it today. I'm not even kidding. Nasdaq was... How many pips is that on Nasty? Yummy. That's a 101 pip move on Nasdaq. I love it. I love it. Okay. And the dirty gave us a 40 pip move. Good. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a session. This was awesome. I hope you guys learned a lot today, and I also hope you'll realize just how important patience is in these markets. That literally should be your takeaway from the session today. Patience is key. Patience is everything. And of course, so is price action and risk management. But you can't make sense of price action and risk management if you're impatient in these markets. You know what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense to you guys. All right? But thank you guys so much. Please go ahead and post up success stories. Again, it doesn't matter if you're on a demo account. It doesn't matter if you didn't make any money. But as long as you picked up some value and learnt something from today's session, because believe it or not, Cash and I, we've been on these markets for 3 hours before I started the live stream with you guys, analyzing and finding these key levels for you all. So we put in the work and we do it every single day. It's only fair for us to ask you all to put on some success stories. Okay, and if you guys are going to be putting on some Twitter posts, make sure to tag Cram, Cash, and Forex Trading. Okay. Great. All right. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. And like I keep saying, always, we're building a goddamn freaking army of millionaires. Okay, so it's up to you. Jump on, do what you've got to do. Start trading with us. We have a great community over here. If you have any questions, please go on and post it up on the general chat. And if our mods or if the community isn't able to help you, either Cash or myself or Millzone will step in and we'll answer these questions for you guys. Okay, but believe it or not, the lives are the best time for you guys to ask your questions, because I freaking hate texting. It's just not my thing. And I'm a talker, right? I've literally been talking to you guys for the past 54 minutes non-stop. So I do this. And this would be the best time to answer your questions. So if you guys have any questions, please don't DM me. Just ask them on here or ask them on Open Chat. And our army of millionaires, the community that we're building, our Forex fam, they're always there to help everyone in every way that they can. Okay, thank you guys. I will catch you all for... Do you have London tomorrow, babe? Okay, I'll catch you guys for London and New York tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good one. Have a great day. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Take it easy. Bye.